Just under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history. For the first time ever, the government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you're listening to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds.
Don Lemon, wait in the seat. I'll see you tomorrow.
Special weather statement issued at 3:38 p.m. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Clackamas County in northwest Oregon until 4:15 p.m. At 3:33 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located over southeastern Clackamas County, or 20 miles northeast of Detroit. This storm was nearly stationary and is producing very heavy rain which could result in rapidly rising creeks and streams in the area. The severe thunderstorm will otherwise remain over mainly rural areas of the indicated county. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and heavy clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. If on or near a lake, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.
Gee, thanks for helping us get away from the giant.
Ooh, looky here. Easter eggs and jelly beans.
Aw, those are for the Easter party. You got your invitation, didn't you, Pete?
Oh, I sure did, Mickey. I thought you forgot about me, but you didn't, 'cause you're my pal.
You betcha, pal.
You know, I'm glad you're leader of the clubhouse, Mickey.